you how to make roasted Mediterranean salad with feta and garlic dressing. Talk about goddamn delicious. And I'm not kidding ya. So I'm going to roast zucchini, eggplant and capsicum, chop them up. I'm going to salt my eggplant to get the sour juices out. Just put them down on paper towel and wait for the juices to come out, just like I'm doing here. Preheat your oven 180 degrees and you're going to roast them for 22 minutes. Drizzle olive oil over them and pop them in the oven. Meanwhile, you're going to make the dressing. You need garlic dip, Danish feta, mint, coriander and parsley, sour cream, lime juice and some pickled onion brine and salt and pepper. Adding the mint, sour cream, garlic dip, coriander and parsley in, salt and pepper. Then you're also going to add your garlic, your Danish feta and your squeeze of lime juice. Oh, and some olive oil. Can't forget the olive oil. Blend it away. Once all blended, put it on a nice dish to serve on. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to layer your vegetables on, and I'm going to garnish with some paprika, tomatoes and pickled onions. So here I'm just laying it. I'm going to sprinkle some paprika on top. There you go, just like that. Add some more coriander and parsley and dressing, and there you go.